Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss how to transfer files from Mac to PC. This method is completely wireless, super easy, and perfect for sending photos, videos, documents, or large folders without using a USB drive. So let's get started. First, make sure your Mac and your Windows PC are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Make sure this is mandatory. Once that's done, move to the next step. Now go to your Mac and click on this Apple icon. Now open System Preferences. Now search here for sharing. And open it, sharing. Now you can see here file sharing option. Enable it. After enabling it, click here on this plus icon and add the folder you want to share. Let's suppose I will create a new folder first. I will rename it sharing file. Add the folder you want to share and click on add again. As you can see, it is added on shared folders. You can also choose the permission here, read and write, read only, write only. For easy transfer, select read and write. Now look carefully at the file sharing window. Here click on this first options. Now select here the account, then click. Now enter your Mac password here, then click on OK. As you can see, now it is activated file sharing using SMB. Click on done. You can also check details from here, question marks about the sharing file and folders using SMB. Then click on done. Now the most important step is here. Look carefully at the sharing window. You will see your Mac network address, something like this on the top. We will use this address on the Windows PC. Okay, now let's come to the Windows PC. Now switch to Windows PC. As you can see, I am on my Windows. Now open File Explorer here, this PC. Now this is the address bar. Okay, in the address bar top side, type the IP address here. First of all, do the /, then enter here the IP address. Then press enter here. And here you will see the folder. In my case, I can't see my folder because I have shut down my MacBook. That's why you have to on your MacBook while doing this process, because I am using the same laptop for Windows and for Mac as well. In your case, you can see here the folder. Just copy that folder and paste it anywhere you want on your PC. That's it. Your files now transferring wirelessly from Mac to PC without any extra apps or cables. And that's how you can easily transfer files from a Mac to a Windows PC using file sharing. This method is fast, free, and works great for everyday file transfer. If this video helped you, make sure to like video, subscribe, and turn on notification for more Mac tutorials. Thank you for watching.